Alright, you are highly welcome to Graphix Tutorials. So we're starting right away. Click thumbnail design size, follow the instructions that you're seeing on the tabs happening on the screen right there. Alright, so after that, I'm going to bring first of all the background, so you can download any dark themed background. Alright, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to load these backgrounds on this resource on the YouTube, on the Facebook page. So you just go to the description of this video, you're going to see these resources linked there. Alright, so that's going to be enlarged to fit in. So after that, I need to darken it a little bit because I don't want it to have these colors like the way you're seeing them. Alright, so you darken it a little bit. Alright, so the next thing, just click I think stickers. So we are going to enlarge it a little bit. Alright, just click stickers and just leave it enlarged a little bit. After it has loaded, just click on the design space and then duplicate it, merge two of them. After you have merged them, you can see just enlarge like that a bit, and then we're going to change the color to black. This is going to help us to fade out the down parts because I'm going to put some text there. Alright, so after this, let's see, after this, just fade out the down parts. After that, we're bringing in the main image, the secondary image. Alright, so we're going to bring in Apostle's image. Alright, this is Apostle Joshua Selman. So we are cropping out the parts we don't need. So I think I need to flip this image, right? So I'm going to click crop and then click flip, that other vertical flip. So let's change it to black and white. I think it's even blending in the background. We're going to change it to black and white. Just reduce saturation to -100 and then take the brightness down a little and take the contrast up a little bit. So we're going to bring in another image. So alright, this is the image. So I don't know whether I should use Drive for this resource. Okay, I'll just load them to the Drive, to the previous thumbnail with this, so that you get all the images at once. So we are going to do that right away. Okay, so after that, I think what we'll do, use the position tool so that you don't mess things up. So I'm going to enlarge this a little bit, alright, so that it covers up that aspect. Okay, so now that you have that, let's bring in what else? We are going to bring in I said Nigerian flag, not Nigerian flag, USA flag. Alright, because I think this program was done in United States, so I don't know, yeah, USA. So we are going to look for that. So I have it right here. So I think I have loaded this. I'm going to link the tutorial to this. Alright, so I'll link the tutorial to that. So that's what I will do. Both the background and this United States flyer, I've created a tutorial about that, and on how to do, I think when Donald Trump was president, I did a tutorial on this channel showing you how to make a very catchy flyer for Donald Trump. And all these resources, they both, the background and the flag particularly, how it's blurred out, is already provided. So I'm going to link that video. So that video is going to be your access to the resources. So do well to check that video on how to create that flyer. I'm going to link it there, so you are going to you're going to see it there. So I'll add this text, these testimonies, and I think that was the theme of the program. So I'm going to choose sometimes you just explore some fonts, alright, depending on what you want to create. Just explore some fonts, but for this particular one, I think this other font, where is it? Nope. Let's look for another font. So you can just use any font that appeals to your eyes. Alright, but if you are entering this for the challenge we are making, traditional civilization demo, that is the font I'm going to use. Alright, so this is the font I'm going to use. Alright, so let's reduce it a little bit. You can see how the image is faded out using what we created from the stickers. Okay, so please make sure that you follow the tutorial the way it's done. Okay, now that we have this, okay, position it well. I think we need to rotate it a little bit down. All right, you can use the rotate button right there, but I think it's fine. So I'll have to add a little now look at this emboss. This Pixellab doesn't really do this thing. I really don't know why this particular one is giving me these issues here. This Pixellab doesn't bring these issues at all. All right, so maybe it's because of the device. On my second device it doesn't do that. All right, so we're going to reduce the blur. Just add a little inner shadow. If you you like, you may not, it's not compulsory to do that. Okay, so just duplicate that, and testimonies of God's grace. You can see that is the apostrophe now. It's not showing well, so I'm going to change the font to Creator Black. Creator Display. So that's the font we're going to use for that. So you increase a little bit, just position it right there. You can see it's going to be catchy, and it's at the same time going to be simple. So if you understand the principles of design and you follow them, you're going to see that you create amazing designs that are going to be catchy, and they're also going to look simple. I don't know if I understand my point. This is going to be very, you will see how it will come out, and then I'll give you some editing tips, so make sure you watch till the end. It's even about to end. All right, so all right, Jesus revealed, Jesus glorified. All right, so that's I think that's is it a sub theme or something about the meeting? Okay, after that just hit OK, and you're going to reduce that, so position it at the center. All right, so you can see position it at the center. So after that I think I personally will bring in subscribe button. Oh, what? Let's see. Wow, this is really taking shape. Just to make sure it takes more shape, I'm going to copy this, and you are going to see what I'm going to do. You see where I'm positioning it, and then that, rotate it, and then take it up there, and let's also bring in the subscribe button. Okay, just on YouTube. So this is YouTube thumbnail. So we are going to look for the subscribe button. Where is that? Okay, I think I've passed it, right? Alright, so this is the subscribe button. We're going to pick it and then reduce, just crop it so that it doesn't take a lot of spaces. So reduce it, and then you need to rotate it a little bit too. You can see, perfect. After I'm done with that, you can see testimonies of God's grace. Just so awesome thumbnail design right there in 10 minutes. My God. All right, so after that I'm going to show you another trick, something you are going to really like. Okay, we're going to go to Snapseed, just give it some edits. All right, go to Snapseed. Now this particular light effect that I'm going to use, let's try out pop. Alright, so sometimes I don't really like using some of this. Oh, well, let's just disable it. It's fine though, but I'll just disable it. I love it a little bit dark themed. I mean, darkened the way it is. Alright, so but sometimes you might just need to pop them out. I'll still add. Wow, this is also, it's not bad. So you can try out any of this for yourself. Alright, so for me, I'll just take the structure up a little bit, take just sharpen it a little bit. You can see it's just a little bit different, and then click double exposure. I'm going to attach this particular image. Now this particular image, I will load it in my on Facebook. All right, I'll load it on Facebook. So make sure you change it to add, so it will add the lights to the design right there. So just enlarge it. Just pitch with your two fingers, and you can be rotating it or moving it, enlarging it. So let's see how. Okay, I think I want it to affect both of the images. I think it's even fine like that, the way it is. Alright, I think it's too much on that other, and then the edge is also showing, so you can see it, so you have to enlarge it such that the edge doesn't show. Oh wow, but it's too much on the second image, so you can just adjust it, but don't put it directly on the face. Alright, you can see, wow, this is awesome, looking really great, So this is what we have. You can see. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, Wow, awesome. Bye for now.